at there loads of forest, and I love to see all those forests because I am the lover of nature, and I love because this nature gives me a pleasure and optimum level of happiness, and this is the reason I love this forest. So my dear friends, this is a peacock. So I wanna show you a magic. Look at there. Look at him giving something. This is a village midst of the jungle. For those are tribe people living in this beautiful place. Their lifestyle is different, their dressing sense is different. They are very far from the town.